Hello, today I will show you how to use the original turbo decoder for cars Renault Kadjar and Captur. This is the piece. Inside of the box you see a couple of setup devices which are made especially for this tool, and here I prepare for you 5 locks, different, original, to explain you how to apply the opening procedure. The first thing you have to do is to reset the pins. Just go totally to the right with the back wheel and push to the front the middle ring. Now get your calibrated setup device and go and inject it here in the holes at the side of your profile. You have 3 of them on this side and 4 of them on the other side. Simply insert and press the setup device there. When you finish that, if you pull back the middle ring, you see that all of the pins will be at the maximum height position from both sides, of course. And now your tool is ready for the opening procedure. Let's start. This is the lock with Renault, with serial number. This is the key, a little strange profile. Both sides cut it. Now, you have 2 ways to insert this tool. One is correct, one is not correct. Of course, you try to insert it like this, keep it here, pull back the middle ring, apply left tension, and start to rotate the back wheel. It's go easy, and in one point you see the resistance, and the line, this line is much before 1. That's mean that the tool is correctly orientated. And if you remember, the 4 holes must be up. That in Europe, in UK probably is upside down with the 3 holes up. So you're ready to start. On the front wheel you have to apply tension to the right and to the left, and the tension force must be medium to strong, not leak, not easy. Just give a good tension. Go and rotate the back wheel to the left till the line point to the first number here on that scale from 1 to 3. I'll show you closer. Okay. When you are under tension and go to 1, you should turn back and release the tension. Check the lock, tension to the left, go to 1 again, turn back and release. You have to repeat that for, let's say, 15 to 20 times, and stop at 1 every time. That is one of the methods. If you fail to open by stop 15 or 20 times on the first number, you should increase the rotation of the back wheel and make those 15 or 20 stops on 2. If you fail to open also on 2, you should go at 3 maximum rotation and stop 15 to 20 times on 3. If it happens that the lock doesn't open it after that procedure, during this video I will explain you 2 different methods more for opening those locks. Now you should extract the tool from the lock. Just go on the right, keep the tool in a neutral position and push to the front this ring. only now you are able to extract the tool without damage. If you pull back, you can see that the pins have different position. Locksmith experts easy can read the mechanical code from the position of every singular pin. Now to open another lock, one more thing, the lock is not damaged and the owner still can use a key without any problem. That lock is tested. We'll go further. Let's set up the tool again. Right and front. I want to put your attention on this setup procedure. That is the only possible way to reset this tool. If you try to reset it from here, from the open pins, probably the pin will flip out and you will lose it and the tool become useless. So follow that simple reset procedure. Insert, pull back, left tension. You see too much easy travel on the back wheel. That is a sign for a wrong orientation, and in fact I put the tool with the 4 holes up. Let's do upside down, 3 holes up. There is the resistance, so was correct. 4 holes up. Tension 1, tension 1. Let's do normal way, the usual way. Once again, very easy to make that lock open. Extraction is right, front, extract. The code is imprinted on the key and it's react like a key. We have high cuts here and deep cuts here, and you see the first is high and then much deeper. Another one, different. Two high cuts on that lock. Right, front, and reset. Start with the normal procedure. once again on the first number, right front extract, and once again the pins position imprinted on this tool. One more. I want some lock to be more difficult for open, to show you another kind of procedure, but let's try on this lock something different. Reset. In case your normal procedure fail, you can try this. Insert the tool correctly, open the gates, left tension, pump to max, turn back, release. Again left tension, max, back, release. You can use this technique if the normal technique fail and you try a couple of times and you don't get opening. Try this method, sometimes work. And the last one. Will be good when you go to open these locks to spray W40 inside, just to keep the wafers moving easy and to avoid damages on the tool, especially when those cars become a little bit older. After a couple of years they never use the key, and you know that the grease and the powder become like chewing gum inside, and that make a problem for even for the key to open. Okay, let's try this. Hope that this will be harder. No. So I'm sorry that 5 locks, different cuts, didn't make me a chance to show you if they are really hard to open. But you know the procedure, you know the steps, and if you fail, you know to use another method. You can try also with the right tension only. So that is basically the procedure. In that way, we from Luckylocks test our tools on the locks, and we supply you high quality products, not Chinese or clonings. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with our products. Bye bye.